to go do it again. Alright guys, that got deleted. So let's go ahead and take a look at this motorcycle again. Alright, you ready guys? Alright guys, let's do it. God damn, that's fun. That's better. Do it again. Again, just like twice, right? Do what you gotta do. That's Natalie's bike, guys. I think it's a Hayabusa. Looks like a Hayabusa. What do you guys think? Get in the comments below and tell me what you think. This bike too. Alright guys, get in the comments below. Tell me what you think about that bike. The other video got deleted, hit the wrong button, deleted it, but it don't matter, it's still in there. Now I did another one, so get in the comment section, subscribe, videos. That's why I like the cameras better than the phone, because it does all the extras that you don't need. Alright guys, I had to go out there and get a picture of that bike for you guys again. That's the neighbor. He's a little kooky. I don't know. He's doing a whole bunch of stuff, craziness, unloading stuff, walking back and forth. Anyway, it don't matter. So, get in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the bike. And then, I want you guys to subscribe, thumbs up, share, and you know what else to do. If you already are a 67 gang, then you know what you're supposed to do. Alright guys, that's it. Vlogging is over. And I gotta go because I don't let this go that far anyway. Or that long. Alright guys, this is Shy and I'm out.